Hi, I'm Malcolm Wild. I'm the Chief Strategy Officer for SAI Digital. We're one of the largest e-commerce agencies in Asia, and we produce enterprise e-commerce solutions for regional and international retailers. Recently, we received a request for a partner company, Fibretrace, to build out a MVP, a minimum viable product, which was going to be based on a custom platform for them to trace the supply chain and retail experience for a new business model that they were creating. They came to SAI Digital as a sister company to talk about the technology platform that could be built. Because of our experience working across a large number of the market-leading retail platforms that are available, we had a lot of in-depth experience and technology resources that we could bring to bear. Given the rapid nature of the project for building out an MVP, and also the fact that they were still operating as a startup, we looked around the market and we settled on Nemesis as a platform for us to start building. Nemesis provided us a number of benefits that we could bring into the project. One was that it was a cloud-native solution. It was built in Java, which was a technology stack that we had a large number of developers with technical expertise on. And it also encompassed a large number of features that we would need, not just a e-commerce solution, but we had B2B, B2C and content management solutions already pre-built. So effectively it gave us a framework which reduced the time to market, the risk, and therefore the cost for Fibretrace and ourselves to start the project with. The project allowed, the technology solution allowed us to produce the project within around 12 weeks from concept, which was design of the user experience, through to a fully working prototype. We were able to build custom modules onto Fibretrace with a great deal of ease. These included custom features like a blockchain data store, in addition to the native Nemesis database. We found the solution very, very easy to use, very easy to customize, very easy to extend, good degree of documentation, well written, well constructed, reliable and scalable, which is everything we typically expect to see in the market leading solutions. So the use of Nemesis, along with our teams, along with the client requirements, made a very, very cost effective and economic solution for the construction of the MVP. And to date, we've been using it in production. It's been live and reliable. So we're very, very pleased to recommend the solution to other people looking at taking on a similar sort of project.